Welcome to the first tutorial video to Grid Harvester Expert Advisor, called Finding Simple Oscillation Patterns. This video will show you how to find patterns quickly by optimizing just few settings. This instructional video can be used with both MT5 and MT4 version of the strategy. You can even use MT5 version for better backtester, and then move your settings to MT4 version of the strategy. Remember, MT5 demo version is enough for backtester. First of all, we need to find a symbol where we observed oscillation pattern. Our example will be Euro Japanese yen from 24th of January to 28th February 2015. We set that date and select every tick test and disable visual test. For purpose of this video, I will be using MQL5 Cloud. You pay a small fee for using it, but it produces results multiple times faster. First, we need to find right time frame and moving average as base for our oscillation. Here time frame I am using is H1 and I am trying the simple moving average 50. I would like to here a little faster. I will change it to 43 simple moving average. We can zoom out to see entire oscillation. Reset all settings to default. First, we change trading mode to oscillation. Then we select scale options for optimization. The range will be 0.1 to 1.0.05. Then we also optimize money management balance. We optimize with money management on, even if we want to run EA without it. Start 50 and 300, step 25. If you are doing that with other pair and time, and they don't produce any profitable results, you may try wider ranges. Now we set up moving average settings. 1 hour 43 simple moving average. And optimize distance in pips in which the buy or sell trade will be opened. Start 5 pips and 40 pips, step 5 pips. One last setting is extra margin we will be having in this preset. It will be used only during optimization and set to 0 as we finish. I always use 20%, but it can be also 10%. If you are using MQL5 Cloud, you can use slow complete algorithm. But when not using it, or using MT4 backtester, to speed up process you may try genetic algorithm. Just compare speeds and choose the best one for you. Before launching any serious optimization, always be sure that graphics are disabled. If they are enabled, it may slow down your optimization process and make you pay more while using MQL5 Cloud. When optimization finishes, select the settings with higher profit ratio. I select the second one as it has more trades done. I would like it to trade more frequently. You apply the set by double clicking on it. I will cancel that test, we are not done yet. Let's disable all 3 options we were optimizing and try to optimize trailing step. Trailing step percentage, start 60 and 90, step 5. Minimum basket size 3 to 8, step 1. Select best results. Now let's unmark TS optimization and check how many positions are being used by the preset. 4 to 10, step 1. We select the result that was not affected with the least positions. In this example, 9 positions are being used by the preset. One last setting is to find some pips stop loss. This stop loss allows you to use all EA functions or to put many different presets on the same or different symbols on one account. Enable it. Set start to 100 and to 3000. Step 100. As we are done with the preset only looking for right stop loss, we will disable the percentage stop loss, set to 0. We optimize settings again. We look for the result that still has our profit with lowest all pips stop loss value. We see it's somewhere between 2200 and 2300. You can either select 2300 or you may try to look for more exact value, but it's not necessary as the possible error is maximum little over 4%. I will do it though. The end result is 2280 here. Now, if you want to have extra 20% margin, we have to divide that result, 2280, by 0.8. It gives you 2850. I will round it up to 2800. I will enable the speed up graphics to visually see how the pattern performs. Graphics are also advised for live trading to see what EA is doing. For faster visual test you may want to try 1 minute OHCL instead of every tick test. Check the speed on your computer by yourself. One last thing, we need to disable the money management function. Current setting will mean that $250 will be put at risk per 0.01 lot. If you want to increase the risk amount, for example 1000, set the lot size to 0.04. I will leave it at 0.01 and change the funds to $250 for backtest. That's how you make basic oscillation patterns. As you could see, we only changed few of the EA settings, so to start creating presets you don't need to know what each function means. Just use the basic ones at start and try to experiment when you learn the basic process. You may try to modify grid types by optimizing grid type out of 10 plus built-in grid types with combination of scale factor.